honors and distribute the gift.
Gracie Singh to come directly to the reception room, please. Gracie Singh will pick up in your own name with the dark wine.
Side. Excuse me, boss. Side.
To open, you have to take.
Vishal is the winner for gold coin. And Jagdish Bansal is the winner for Greenfield watches. These are two lucky winners drawn by ऋषि जी
पीछे
जोरदार तालियां हो जाए ऋषि जी के लिए। आपको चलने में कैसा लग रहा है ऋषि जी? यहाँ जीतों के फंक्शन में आए हैं।
बहुत खुशी हो रही है यहाँ पर आप सबसे मिलकर और मैं जी को धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ जिन्होंने मुझे आमंत्रण किया और आप सबसे मिलने का मौका दिया। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। ऑल द बेस्ट एंड कंग्रेचुलेशन ऑल द
यह मूर्ति यह सरस्वती देवी की विशाल मूर्ति है। यह 600 साल पुरानी यह मूर्ति है। इस मूर्ति में यह बताया गया है कि आचार्य भगवान किस प्रकार देवी की आराधना कर रहे हैं, इसीलिए यह मूर्ति बनाई गई है। यह तीर्थंकर भगवान की यह मूर्ति है। यह 1200 साल पुरानी यह मूर्ति है। यह भालू पत्थर से बनी हुई है। देवगढ़ के मध्य प्रदेश में ये मूर्ति प्रसिद्ध है। इस प्रकार की हजारों मूर्तियाँ विराजमान है। यह पारसनाथ प्रभु की यह मूर्ति है। यह मूर्ति 1300 साल पुरानी यह मूर्ति है। इस मूर्ति में हमें सिर्फ परमात्मा की आँख, नाक और मुँह को देखना है, जैसे परमात्मा हमसे कुछ बात करना चाहते हैं। इसीलिए और इस प्रकार से इस मूर्ति को बनाया गया है। धन्यवाद।
क्या हिला नहीं है माना चलो हाँ जी जी सर साइड साइड साइड
अभी पीछे 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 जाओ कम डाउन एक्सक्यूज मी कम डाउन
What you have taken these two coupon now? One is there, one more is.
ओए हेलो
Bhansali. He is the second lucky winner. Second.
पापा नेक्स्ट இருப்பா நான் எழுத ஏரியா நான் எழுதுற ஏரியா
Hello. We are happy to see here for this Jito International Trade Fair, and we would like to have an opinion of yours. How do you feel? What is this trade fair, and what is the prospects of this?
Oh, it's absolutely amazing. For me, I was extremely thrilled. It's a very spiritual experience and very, very wide range of collection, especially of the murtis and everything, even the paintings. And I'm really happy to be here.
You are interested in some jewelry. So, what is your idea on the jewelry section?
Jewelry is a woman's, love, first love, and we can't, really do without jewelry. So I want to spend more time and just look around for more jewelry. It's very creative, something new, and I would like to just pick up something interesting.
And something about the Jain Pavilion you had seen. This is the first time I think you would have seen this type of collections. What is your opinion on these idols which are decades old?
I had no idea that something like this exists in the world. It's the nature's beauty which I've seen today, and for me it's absolutely thrilling experience because I myself like collecting such idols, and I would really like to take one of this if I get a chance. So thank you.
And lastly, but one last question. What about the paintings you have seen? You have not commented on the paintings you had seen.
Oh, absolutely beautiful, because every painting had a message, and I was just looking and trying to understand each and every painting in depth. So I just think it's absolutely out of the world. So it's great.
One more question. What about the conference? You had been in the morning over there to Nehru Stadium. Acha, you're going to the conference. I hope you have a good time there, and we are all happy to have you here. What about the Chennai crowd or Chennai public, you say, and mostly the Jains in Chennai? No, first Jains, then last.
Oh, I love Chennai, and I love the people in Chennai. I think I look up to them and I follow the culture and the religion. I've learned Bharatanatyam myself because I'm so inspired by the religion, the culture and everything about Chennai. So it's one of my favorite places in the country. I'm very happy to be here.
Okay, overall opinion about the Jito. What do you think this about this Jain International Trade Organization who have been doing this, and it's just 4 years old? What do you think and what you have heard about this organization?
It's absolutely amazing. I think it is very inspiring for us to learn so much about the society and so many great things which you have achieved, and I would really like to be a part of it, and I would like to learn and follow the message which you are spreading. So
Thank you very much everyone. Hip hip hooray. Hooray. Thanks a lot.